Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. We're going to be explaining the LinkedIn networking application. Once you've installed the application on your desktop, you're going to double click on the icon to bring the application up. You're going to have to sign into your account, and we will sign in here real quick for you. You're going to have to enter this CAPTCHA in. Once we have this in here, it'll bring you to your account. And to use the software, you see you have the LinkedIn website in the left part of the application. This is really how you do your keyword search. This is how you narrow down your search criteria. You actually use the website. What happens is you're going to do a people search. If for some reason the application is pulling up, if it starts on jobs or groups or answers, you're going to have to select people. Once you have it on that, you're going to hit advanced, and it'll bring you to this page, which is where you can narrow down your search criteria even more. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to pick out the keywords that you want to advertise on or market to, or you're going to hit you're going to type in the title. So if you want to find CEOs of companies, CFOs or CMOs, or any other job title that you want to reach out to, you can enter it there. You can search by company, by school. One of the greatest features is you can actually search by location. If you want to enter a zip code in, you can click on the drop-down menu basically and select located in or near, and that'll bring up these additional fields here. You can type in whatever zip code you want. For this we'll do 49111. And we'll do a search within 100 miles. And basically, if we for this, we'll probably do the keyword internet marketing. And anyway, once you narrow down the search criteria, you hit search, and then it pulls up a list of search results. Now these are anybody that's in your network, which means that anybody who shares a group, anybody that shares a connection, I think up to 3 levels deep, is in your network. So your potential network, if you're in a lot of groups, is potentially 15, 20, 30 million people. We recommend joining as many groups as possible, having a membership in groups that have a lot of members, just to expand your network a lot quicker. And once you pull the search results here, you'll see that LinkedIn allows you to send a regular message to these people that are in your network. And you can see they're in your network by one shared group or some type of connection that you're in. But basically what you're going to do is you come over here to the subject. You're going to type in your subject line, and you can type in any subject line that you wish. For this we'll probably do beta testing. And then we'll type in a message that we send. I've already got one prepared just to make this video a little bit shorter. And then to run the application, all you have to do is hit Start Sending Messages down here. And what happens is the software sends a message to every one of these people. Now, sometimes the software will have a little glitch where you have to hit Next to get it going again. But it should just start sending out the messages one after the other. Now also, if it does happen that it doesn't send the message out right away, you can actually just wait for a couple minutes and it will start sending out the messages automatically. There's just sometimes a delay in the software requesting information from LinkedIn server. So not a big issue. Sometimes you just have to wait a couple minutes. Or you can hit Next and it will basically start the application again and start sending the messages out. So you can see the software is sending out messages to the people that we've pulled up in the search results, and just very easy. Just a couple things that you got to enter in to get a campaign going. But the software will run through a list of 100 search results, and then it will stop if you have a basic free account on LinkedIn. If you have a paid account on LinkedIn and you can send out 300 to 700 or if you can find 300 to 700 results in a search query, then you can send messages out to every one of those. If not, you have to basically just go in and type in a new zip code and then hit start sending messages again, and it will run through another 100 emails. We have another version of the software that's coming out very soon where you can actually type in multiple zip codes, and it will start sending out 100 per zip code, and we'll cycle through them until it's done. We recommend only sending out 800 to 900 emails in a day from your LinkedIn account, and I would recommend setting up a new LinkedIn account for each campaign that you want to run. That way you can keep better track of your conversion rates and all that, and manage your specific campaigns a lot easier. When you're starting a new LinkedIn account to run a new campaign with, it's a good idea to complete your profile as much as possible, and then join as many groups as possible to expand your network. And then you can have a great LinkedIn account to reach out to specific industries or specific people. So anyway, that concludes the training session for today. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at our office at 904-329-4003, and we can answer any questions that you might have. We appreciate your time and you taking the time to beta test this for us, and we look forward to hearing the results and the success that you have with it. Thanks a lot.